Hi, I'm Laurel, and I will be basically explaining what's going on during this video.
And I'm Elizabeth, and I'll be playing Lorenz.
These will be representing
Our gray-legged goose.
Yeah, geese. And this will be our incubator. So when Lorenz was a young boy, he wanted to become a goose, but soon found out that that was impossible. So instead, he decided to settle for having domesticated ducks as pets.
Man, I wish I was a goose. But how can I be a goose when I'm a human? Silly me.
So one day, Lorenz finally got his first domesticated one-day-old duckling. Hi, Lorenz. My duck just had ducklings. Would you like one?
Yes, my first duck.
So, in 1992, Lorenz began pre-medical training in Columbia University in New York, but shortly he decided to return to Austria to continue the program at University of Vienna. He also managed to make time to study animals, which he used one of his own birds, jackdaw, just to kind of, you know, do labs and study it. And yeah, so after studying his own pet bird, he decided that he would try to get his PhD in zoology. During the years 1935 to 1938, Lorenz spent what he called his goose summers at the Altenburg home. While there, he concentrated most of his time on the behavior of the gray-legged geese and confirming many of his hypotheses that he had formed while observing his own pet birds. So basically right now, Lorenz is going to split up a clutch of eggs to experiment, keep half of the clutch with the mother, and then incubate the other half to test his theory of imprinting. The egg is now in the incubator. Check. Day 32. They are supposed to hatch today.
Oh, my gosling has now hatched. If my hypothesis is correct, within the next 24 to 48 hours, it should be imprinted on me. According to my observations, the other gosling has hatched. So, it should be imprinting also. It's been 48 hours and my gosling has been trying to follow me everywhere. So let's go for a walk. It has been a long couple of days for this gosling and he has definitely imprinted on me, which means he has now formed a picture in his mind of the object that he is supposed to follow, which means that he now considers me his mother. Due to previous experiments that I have done, this gosling only recognizes me as its mother.
So the experiment that Lorenz was referring to in his clip was an experiment in which he tried to reunite his Gosling with the other half of the clutch, and to see if whenever he let them go, if his Gosling would recognize the mother, which it didn't have any recognition of the mother, so he is now its only mother. So what is imprinting exactly? Well, imprinting occurs in many species, most noticeably in geese and ducks. When within a short genetically set time frame, an animal will accept a foster mother in place of its biological mother, even if the foster mother is a different species. And that's what the concept of imprinting is.
My most important contribution to ethology was the idea that behavior patterns can be studied as anatomical organs. This concept forms the foundation of ecological research. Oh, it's been 48 hours, and let's see if my testing is correct. Oh. 48 hours, and my Gosling has been following me in every direction. Let's go for a walk.
Well, now it looks like you're walking it. These will be our... You dropped one. Oh, thank you. These will be our... This will be the gray lag mother goose. And then these are the babies. Well, this one... this one will be hers, and this is the one that we care for. Alright. Okay. Oh, and... Okay, so what we do